Securing development practices. In this section, you will explore how to have secure development practices in place. Starting from requirements and architecture phase, you will get to see how security can be integrated from initial stages into the application by performing techniques like threat modeling, proper identity and access management, through code inspection and hardening of environment, create a durable base for development of secure software. Security requirements is the first video of this section. In this video, you will see how proper planning is quite crucial to address security requirements. Security requirements describe functional and non-functional requirements that need to be satisfied to achieve the security attributes of the system. In other words, security requirements cover all the properties and attributes of system which will make it a secure software. The process of drafting security requirements starts by first identifying all the risks towards which the system is vulnerable. These risks, once identified, are documented and help in creating clear requirements. These requirements in turn help in creating proper security mechanism. The backlog can have security-related requirements and user stories spread all throughout, rather than during a particular phase. This will avoid the security sandwich situation where too many security-related requirements and user stories are bundled in too few sprints. The security requirements can be grouped into various categories. Identity requirements facilitate the right users to access the right resources at the right times and for the right reasons. Authentication requirements address the need to validate user credentials before providing access. Authorization requirements cover the scope of a user's access. Integrity requirements ensure that data meets a given expectation of quality and has not been exposed to accidental or malicious modification or destruction. Auditing requirements are related to tracing of critical operations and proper logging to help in troubleshooting challenging situations. Survivability requirements address the reliability, availability, and fault-tolerant related aspects. Besides these, there could be government or legal requirements based on the domain of your system. For example, if your software is going to be used by federal agencies, then it needs to comply with FIPS or JITC standard requirements. In the initial stages itself, it is important to identify the key risks to the system. This diagram shows threat agents, which can be a group of agents, and the different attacks that which the threat agent might use. Threat agents can be distinguished based on skill level, motive, and the size of the group. Threat agents can attack one or more vulnerabilities so that it is able to penetrate the countermeasures. It is important to assess the ease of discovery of a vulnerability and how easy is it to exploit. Each such attack can impact the application in different ways, like loss of confidentiality, integrity, availability, or accountability. Such attacks can also have a business impact like financial damage, reputation damage, non-compliance with government regulations, or privacy violation. Based on the severity and probability of risk, proper requirements can be drafted. After identifying the different risks, create appropriate user stories for various stakeholders like user, admin, business owner, etc. For example, a user may be concerned with proper access to account and may want to address that. An admin user may want to control all the accounts. Similarly, a business owner may want auditing of critical operations so that it helps in troubleshooting. These stories should be spread across different sprints, just like feature stories. There can be periodic security sprints to build and integrate necessary security controls.